spring is coming, birdies build your nest. Weave together straw and feather, each one doing their best. I've made some little birds. I've got a mama bird and a baby bird, a papa and a friend, and I'm going to show you how to make some birds at your house. You will need some scissors, a pencil, a marker, glue, some paper, and some circles that you can trace. I've got this part of a ball jar for a larger circle and this from a smaller ball jar lid to make a smaller circle. You can use any kind of paper. I've got some solids, I've got some prints. You could use white paper. You could even do a drawing on your paper and use that. You might also want to look through some magazines and cut out some interesting looking paper like this. I'm going to use this one to show you how to make a bird. I'm going to flip this over and use the larger lid right here to make a circle. And I'm flipping my paper over because the other side is dark and I'll be able to see the circle that I've traced a lot better on this side. So I've traced a larger circle and now I'm going to cut it out. There's my circle. And now I'm going to fold it in half. And I've got the body of the bird. Now I would like to make some orange wings. So I'm going to take my orange paper and my smaller circle and trace. And cut out. And then I'm going to fold this circle in half as well. And this circle is going to go on the body like so. It's going to go back a little bit so that there's a little more space right here for the head. Now I'm going to take my glue stick, put glue on the back of these wings, and glue them onto the body. And now my bird has some wings. The next thing it needs is a beak. And I'm going to put on I'll put on a yellow beak. Now, to make the beak, you cut out a square. And your mom or dad or brother or sister can help you do this. And then you put a little bit of glue on one side of that square, and then you open your bird up and you glue your beak like so. And I'm going to make a red tail, so I'm going to take some of this red paper. I'm going to cut a strip for the tail. And I'm going to cut it in a rectangular shape. And then I'm going to put some glue on one end and glue it to the opposite side of the beak, just like that. Now, I'm going to hold that for a moment, make sure that it's attached well, and then I'm going to fold this back in half, and I'm going to fold the beak in half, and I'm going to fold the tail in half. Except my bird can't see yet. It needs an eye. And so I'm going to draw with my marker an eye right here on one side and an eye on the other side. Now my bird community is growing. Well, now we have all these birds and it is springtime. They're going to need to build a nest. Oh my goodness, look, here's the nest that they built, and some have even laid some eggs. I'm going to put my bird family right here in this nest. Looks like one of the eggs has already hatched, and 3 more will hatch out soon. Enjoy making your birds in your nest.